Hey man, it's your boy K2 Analytics. Today we back with another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show y'all boys how to trade using this new chat AI system called ChatGPT. ChatGPT. You know what I'm saying? I be getting that shit confused with GBT and all that shit. But it's ChatGPT, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all see the first cut. I see what the fuck going on. But without further ado, let me show y'all what to do. So on Google, fuck this little page. We gonna type in chat GPT, you know what I'm saying? It's an AI system. This is it right here. I think you gotta make an account, but I ain't making an account. I just straight up logged in. All right, so bet this is where we at. This is the chat GPT website, you know what I'm saying? You can just go to this website right here to make it easier for y'all. So how do we trade stocks? Like, how smart is this AI system? Y'all think it's gonna be a good goddamn strategy? We about to see. So the first question we're gonna ask is, how do I trade stocks? Let's see what they say. To trade stocks, you need to open an account with a brokerage firm. Okay, you know what I'm saying? We got Robinhood. There are many firms to choose from, blah, 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 I don't care. Once you have funds available in your account, you can place an order to buy, sell a stock. Okay, yeah, I'll be doing that. It is important to note that trading stocks carries risk. You should carefully consider your investment strategy. Okay. So I just asked how to trade stocks. Now we're gonna see, how do I find the trend? Let's see if they can show me how do I find the trend? You know what I'm saying? Let's say there are several ways to identify a trend in the stock market. One common method to use trend lines. Okay. The lines on the chart, yeah, I know what trend lines are. Another way is to identify trends is to use moving averages. Okay, so we got moving averages, such as the 50 or 200. Yeah, I know about the 50 200 moving average. And so you can also use other technical indicators such as the RSI and the MACD. These indicators use mathematical formulas to analyze price and volume data. All right, so it says moving averages, RSI, and the MACD. So, you know what I'm saying? We'll take note of that. Moving averages, the RSI, and the MACD. All right, so, you know what I'm saying? That's what it said we should use. So we're gonna go to Bitcoin right here. We're just gonna do exactly what that bit said. You know what I'm saying? My personal favorite moving average is the 9 and the 12, but they say that the down 50 and the 200 pretty good. So, you know what I'm saying? We'll do I think this one only do 200. Then we do the 50 right here. You know what I'm saying? Boom. I ain't gonna lie, that's long term though, because that's the only thing about it. The 50 and the 200 moving averages is for fucking long term. It's fucking long term. This is the weekly chart, and this is the day chart. But yeah, this is what it said we should use. All right, so then it said we should use the MACD and the RSI. All right, so the MACD and then the RSI. All right. Like I said, this is the day chart. Let's see if we can find anything. I don't see nothing too crazy. But the last question we're gonna ask it is, what is technical analysis? You know what I'm saying? Cause that's what it is. That's how I trade. What is technical analysis? Oh shit, I can't type. Technical analysis is a method of evaluating securities generated by market, such as past pricing and volume, based on market trends, okay, and other identifications, you know what I'm saying? Some of the tools, moving averages, relative strength index, and then the MACD. Okay, so yeah, you know, that's what we be using. And so may use candlestick chart patterns. Yeah, I know about the double top, double bottom and all that. Let me know if y'all want a video. It's important that to approach with fundamental analysis, I bet. What I mean by fundamental analysis is that we is in a recession. So for the most part, all the stocks and everything gonna go down. As you can see right here, like I said, we're on the day chart and this shit going down. These moving averages, 250 moving averages, honestly, you can have them shit. You know what I'm saying? I be scalping in and out. So we're gonna change these bitches to 9 and the motherfucking 12. You know what I'm saying? So that shit can be way easier. That's how I find the downtrend. You know what I'm saying? When they cross, use a boss. And when you get in, it is. See that cross right there? Sexy ass cross. Straight down, goddamn. See this cross right here? Get where that bitch going. Straight down, you know what I'm saying? But, so it said we need to use the RSI, moving averages, and the MACD. So we gonna use what the AI saying. The trend is in a downtrend. You know what I'm saying? How to look at the trend. Go on a week, it's going straight down. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all can see that. But let me just got down. You see that straight line? That bitch is diagonally down, downtrend. And you see how I trade? Every time I hit the black line, I go down. That's how I trade. That's the week. On this day chart, we're gonna see if we can find some support and resistance. I'm actually quite surprised that this didn't ask me to find support and resistance, because like support and resistance is very important when it comes to trading. So that's one flaw this AI technology got. It never asked me to find support and the resistance, but I'm gonna find that shit right now. All right, so this right here is what you would call resistance. Cause resistance is the ceiling and support is the flow. So all I would do, so I can graph and know where to trade, do this just right here. You know what I'm saying? This is the ceiling and this is the floor. Support and resistance. This is a day chart. Let's go to the 4 hour, see what's going on. All right, the 4 hour. Let's see if we can find any chat patterns or anything that looks like it's gonna catch my eye. All right, so when it was down here at the very bottom of the RSI, this was the bottom right here. So honestly, this can be a little support for the 4 hour, but then when it's at the top, this was it. That's the roof. So now let's see what it's gonna do on the 1 hour. See if we can find something to trade on the 1 hour. All right, so for the most part, it look like it's consolidating, like just in this little range. Let me draw another box. We're gonna draw a box. Yeah, it look like it just broke out the range, so it's probably gonna more than likely continue to fall, guys. Just broke out this little range right here. Cause look, when it came out of this range, it hit down, it went all the way back up into this range, and it went down. So yeah, this is a perfect support and resistance, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, resistance is the ceiling and support is the flow. So if I were to get in this trade, let's go to the 15 minute. Let's see, we're gonna narrow it down. All right, so if I wanted to get in the trade, I would have probably got up right here and then began to sell. But like I said, on the R side, that junk is going down. It's almost maxed out, so I would have been cautious. But at the end of the day, we're in a recession, so I'm expecting everything to keep on falling down. And another new indicator I like to use is the UT bot alerts. You know what I'm saying? I like using this because that shit go crazy. Because what I do is I combine them all. I only use the 15. When the 15 minutes say sell, I'm selling that bitch. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to get back into it until that bitch say buy. Or that's when I'm going to sell when it tell me to buy. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to ask the AI what is the best indicator to trade. What is the best indicator to trade? You know what I'm saying? There's no best indicator for trading, more or less, okay. Technical indicators that can be used to help identify trends, yep. Moving average, so some commonly used technical indicators, moving averages, yep, we got that on the chart now. Relative strength index, okay, we got that on the chart now. MACD, we got that on the chart now. Bollinger Bands, we don't have that on the chart. We can't add that to the chart. I know that shows the volatility of prices. It is important that no single indicator is foolproof. Yeah, I know, that's why we use all fucking three. You know what I'm saying? So they said they want us to use the Bollinger Bands. So you know what I'm saying? I'm about to put on that down Bollinger Bands for y'all. We're gonna take that one off. See if we can see anything different. All right, so yeah, the Bollinger Band shows volatility of the price. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna keep on falling down. It's stuck below the 9 EMA moving average. So I believe that this trend will continue to go down. We're gonna have to see after this candle right here, because it might just reverse up. We can go to the 5 minutes, see what's going on. Yeah, the 5 minute look like it's gonna hit this purple line and just keep on crashing. We're gonna see what this 1 minute is talking about. 1 minute, ooh, the 1 minute done crossed the 9 EMA, and if it crosses the black line, that's gonna make it continue to go up. Oh, but it's reversed. It look like that bitch trying to reverse. So basically, guys, me personally, I like the ChatGPT, you know what I'm saying, for AI technology. I like how some of the trading strategies work. It's not exactly specific. Like, it doesn't say the best indicators. It doesn't tell you the best stocks to trade. It doesn't tell you when to get in on none of that. Because like I said, I think Elon said all of this stuff was previously updated to 2021, and it's 2022, about to be 2023. So you already know, man. But look, like I said, if you do want to trade using the ChatGPT, it recommends using the MACD, the RSI, moving averages. Now the moving averages depend on your favorite. It recommended the 250 moving averages, but I'm a scalp day trader. I can't use them, but them shit, man, it's gonna be forever for me to find an entry waiting on the 250 moving average across. So I use the 9 and the 12. But you already know, man, it's your boy K2 Analytics, and we out this bitch. Like, subscribe for more.